Ecological and historical developments in Maokong. Looking down from the cabins, you can enjoy a perfect view over the forest canopy. The canopy is the top level of the forest, where branches and leaves closely interweave to create a safe and comfortable sanctuary for many species. Research shows that close to 50% of the Earth's species reside in the forest canopies. 300 years ago, when Maokong was still hunting ground of the indigenous people, the woodlands you see from the Maokong gondola used to be a vast natural forest, composed mostly of camphor, cedar, and mulberry trees. During the Japanese occupation, a large amount of charcoal and firewood was needed for roasting and processing the tea leaves. So a large number of acacia trees were brought in to be planted here, which is why, looking down at the forest now, you see mostly acacia trees. Along the gondola ride, you can observe many different species of ferns growing in the forest. There are many common tree ferns growing in the open areas, and in the shade, other types of ferns, such as the Taiwan spinulose tree fern, grow. However, due to the low altitude and early development of this area, the forest has seen much human intrusion and is mostly secondary forest now. Because of the frequent interference, most of the plant species here are fast-growing and spreading ones. Many of the trees blossom in spring, such as the incense maculus and red maculus, dominant in the Maokong forest. From April to May, the acacia trees covering the mountains turn bright yellow. From June to September, plants such as tern in the wind blossom, adding new colors to the vast swathes of green. And between October and December, the unique palm-shaped leaves of the Schifera trees fill the canopy and attract many birds with their flowers. Pockets of Makino bamboo grow in the secondary forest. This bamboo has a unique appearance and only grows 3 to 6 meters tall. It is also the bamboo that produces the green shoots we often eat. Many people are amazed by the sight of the tea gardens in Maokong, because the tea trees are planted in rows and are highly visible from a distance. The silver grass that covers the hills also adds a sense of vicissitude to the winter scenery. From November on, the blossoming silver grass sways in the wind, sparkling like golden waves in the sunrise and sunset, presenting you with another feast for the eyes during the Maokong experience.